Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can create a slow-mo video with iPhone. So first you have to open your iPhone camera, and the next thing you need to do is just take a look on this side. Now just swipe into the right side and you will get this slow-mo. And the next you just need to prepare the object that you want to record, and then you just need to start record it. I tap into the button and then move it, and right after you're done you just need to go tap again the button. Now open your library, and then you just need to go tap into this edit, and now you can adjust when you want to make it start to be slow-mo. And now this is for the result, and then move it. Now you can just go click done, and you already got the slow-mo video on your phone. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.